A symphony of water and mist, Iguazu Falls is a testament to the sheer power and beauty of nature. A geothermal oasis, the Blue Lagoon invites relaxation and rejuvenation in its milky blue waters. A fairy tale castle perched atop a hill, Neuschwanstein seems to have sprung from the pages of a storybook. A testament to the Mayan civilization's ingenuity, Chichen Itza is a wonder of ancient architecture and astronomy. A wildlife enthusiast's paradise, Kruger National Park offers a chance to witness the Big Five and more. Africa's highest peak, Mount Kilimanjaro, beckons adventurers to conquer its slopes and witness breathtaking views. A breathtaking stretch of coastline, the Amalfi Coast charms with its colorful villages, dramatic cliffs and azure waters. A city steeped in history and spirituality, Kyoto's temples offer a glimpse into Japan's rich cultural heritage. A land of granite cliffs, giant sequoia trees and cascading waterfalls, Yosemite National Park is a nature lover's dream. A South Pacific paradise, Bora Bora enchants with its overwater bungalows, turquoise lagoons and lush mountains. Perched atop an extinct volcano, Edinburgh Castle has borne witness to centuries of Scottish history. A cascade of turquoise lakes and waterfalls, Plitvice Lakes National Park is a fairy tale world of natural beauty. A surreal landscape of fairy chimneys and cave dwellings, Cappadocia offers a glimpse into a world sculpted by time and nature. A thunderous curtain of water plummeting into a narrow gorge, Victoria Falls is a truly awe-inspiring spectacle.